Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We're up here at our work area, and I got our original Eggmobile up here, and we're going to redo it, some stuff on it. I'm going to redo this door and make it not go all the way down. We'll redo the front. I'm going to put a couple more roosts on it and redo the nest box and maybe even the back. So I was going to do a complete rebuild, but I just don't have time, and I mean, it's not that bad, it's just a little heavy, and I'm going to try to put some slides underneath it too. So I'm not going to show you everything when we're doing it. I'm just going to show you the results, because hopefully it won't take that long. Let's go around to the back and I'll show you the nest boxes. These nest boxes are in disarray, so I'm going to redo all this. And I'm thinking I'm going to put a different latch on it too. I hate this latch, it's hard to get off. They're all kind of falling apart, so I'm going to redo all that today. I'm going to put in a couple extra roosts. I don't know if I said that. So let's go around back to the front. We'll go inside of it and kind of show you what we're going to do there. Okay, I'm in here. It's I can't remember how old this thing is. Maybe 2-3 years old, and it's really in really good shape. So, but I'm going to put a couple extra roosts in here. I've only got 2, and they tend to roost above the Nixon boxes. So I'm maybe even put a cover over that, because it keeps the poop from falling down in there. But evidently when I did this, I didn't put enough roosts, so I can probably put at least 3 more roost spots in here. And this right here is my big problem, I think. This right here keeps pulling back, and somehow I want to refix that. So anyway, everything else is gonna be pretty easy. So I'll go get my materials together, my tools, and we'll get this done. I'll show you back. I think we're gonna try to move the chicks in here today. So let me go get my stuff, and I'll show you the results. All right, we got our improvements made, and I'll show you what they are. We cut this door in half, and that way they can't. One thing, when you're in high grass, that full size door, you can't open it real easy. So I made that there, and of course I think I'm a little too high. I don't know how I'm gonna get in there. I'd get a ladder or something if I ever have to get in there. But anyway, it'll work out better. That way they can't run out. And I put a couple extra roosts in there. We fixed the nest boxes. They were laying down. We redid all that. This was, I ain't gonna dad, I forgot about that. And so I just put some kicks on it so it can't go any farther. And then I put those, I cut some PVC pipe for I put them PVC runners in there to make it slide a little better, I think, so it won't dig in the front. So we're gonna move it here. It's kind of right outside the barn and outside the root garden, and we got some smooth sailing there, because it takes a little while to get them trained. And the ones we've killed, that's when it happens, because it takes really 2 people, and if you move them, they all seem to run to the back, and then you run over one. So we're gonna start here. It's kind of between the house and the root garden, and the barns down that way where they're at. So it's smooth sailing. It's a lot of good grass here. We need to mow a little bit, but anyway, we'll go down there until we get to the pasture. So it'll take about a month or so to get down that way. So we're gonna go get the chicks, and I'll show you how we throw them in here and see how they like it. So let's go get the chicks. Okay, we got about 28 of them in there. I don't know how many more. We did 2 batches, so we just went down there and got them out of the brooder and put them in this little carrier, and we're gonna put them in there. It's gonna be a lot healthier for them. I need to get them out of the brooder. So I got 28, so we're gonna throw the rest of them in there and count as we go. This is Isa Brown here. This is it's called a buff barred rock. It's supposed to be like a production barred rock. I haven't ever raised these before, so we'll see how they go. Oh man. 34?
Mm-hmm.
Rhode Island Red. Got 2 Rhode Island Reds here. I'll probably end up selling these. There's one more in there. Of course, they left our sign up here. You gotta have that. So we got about 45 in there, and that might be a little bit heavy. I think I made this for about 40, so 40, 45, that's not too many. Of course, we plan on maybe selling the Rhode Island Reds anyway. I should have counted those. I'll count them when they get a little bigger. Probably have about maybe 10 Rhode Island Reds. And we might end up keeping them. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Of course, I'll leave them in there. I won't move them for a little while, you know, for maybe 3 or 4 days, and then we'll start moving just a little bit at a time. Because like I said, first time you move it, they all run to the back. And if you run to the back, you're gonna get killed. So we did all right. I lost 2 the other day, not from dying, they just escaped and I never could find them, so I don't know where they went. They might show up when they get big or something. So anyway, it's the start of another pasture raised egg production here. I guess this will be Eggmobile 3.1, because this was our original. We kind of rebuilt it a little bit better. I gotta go down and get their water and stuff, and you don't need to see that. Hope you liked the video. We did have a little excitement today. We thought this would take about 2 hours. It's ended up taking about 5 hours. We had a bee swarm that we found. We went down to do something. Well, we was talking about something. We rode down to check the blackberries or something. And we seen one down there, and I thought I had it, and I finally got them in a box, and I checked them every 30 minutes, and they was still in the box. And we come up here, and we was moving this back out of the work area, and I dropped the daggum thing, and it knocked all the next box down, so we had to start over on that. And the time we got all that done, I went back down there and they was gone. So we lost a swarm. So that's kind of disheartening, but you know, what do you do? Bees are harder than you think. I think bees are the hardest thing we raise here on this farm. But anyway, we'll show you along how they go. I think they're gonna be all right. I'm glad to get them out of that brooder. I think we're gonna do, well, I'll talk about that in a different thing. I think we're gonna do away with that brooder. I don't know if we like it now or not. We've been through, it's our 3rd season with it. And we thought maybe it was a good idea, but we're going to maybe do something else. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, we'll respond. Support your local farmer. We'll see you in the next video.